Burger, home of the good burger. Can I take your order?
Hey iHeart Radio fans, we're in WeHo. We're hanging out at the Good Burger pop-up. So this is only here for a couple of months. It's Keenan and Kel. If you remember, they had the special sauce on the special burgers. Welcome to Good Burger. So we're gonna go take a look right now and try the food. Come on. Have you ever been to a pop-up before?
No, this is my first time. It's actually my first time out here in LA.
Were you big fans of Keenan and Kel?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I wouldn't say I'm the hugest fan, but I definitely did watch. It's kind of nostalgic.
Are you expecting the food to be good?
Well, I read reviews and like people said it was really good.
I hope so. As long as there's Ed sauce.
So I pretty much just devoured my food. I had to have the secret sauce right here that I think it's Thousand Island, but it might have a little twist to it. I don't think they ever revealed the actual ingredients in the show, so I think they just had to come up with their own thing here, but it's pretty good. Now that we're done eating, I think we're about to go check out the arcade back here. They have an arcade, all kinds of games are going on. They even have a bunch of photo ops over there, over there, over there, over there. They're everywhere. Check them out. So, if there was no social media, would you go to pop-ups?
Probably not
I
as
think we
frequent.
would. I heard this through like word of mouth. So
Yeah, I think I still
You'd still do it?
From word of mouth, I would still hear about it and still show up.
Yeah, for sure. When you go, there's more personable, more
Yeah.
people.